Have you ever wondered what it takes to transform a simple blackberry farm into a thriving enterprise? Picture this: rows upon rows of lush blackberry bushes, heavy with ripe, succulent fruit, stretching as far as the eye can see. Now imagine achieving this bounty through cutting-edge techniques that harness the power of technology and innovation. Today, we're diving into the world of blackberry farming, where traditional methods meet modern advancements to revolutionize the way we sow, grow, and reap these delicious berries. So without any further delay, let's get started. The seeds of change. In the vast fields of agriculture, every revolution begins with a single seed. But what if that seed could be genetically tailored to thrive in specific conditions, yielding higher quantities of fruit while requiring less maintenance? This is the promise of modern blackberry farming techniques. Traditionally, blackberry farming relied on natural selection and crossbreeding to develop new varieties. However, with advances in biotechnology, farmers now have the ability to selectively breed blackberries with desirable traits, such as resistance to common pests and diseases, or tolerance to harsh environmental conditions, yielding higher quantities of fruit while requiring less maintenance. This is the promise of modern blackberry farming techniques. Traditionally, blackberry farming relied on natural selection and crossbreeding to develop new varieties. However, with advances in biotechnology, farmers now have the ability to selectively breed blackberries with desirable traits, such as resistance to common pests and diseases or tolerance to harsh environmental conditions. Through meticulous genetic manipulation, scientists can identify and isolate genes responsible for these traits, allowing for precise modifications to be made to the plant's DNA. One of the most significant breakthroughs in blackberry breeding has been the development of thornless varieties. Thornless blackberries not only make harvesting safer and more efficient, but also offer a more pleasant eating experience for consumers. By selectively breeding for thornlessness, farmers have been able to create cultivars that retain all the flavor and nutritional benefits of traditional blackberries without the hassle of prickly thorns. Moreover, genetic engineering techniques such as CRISPR-Cas9 have opened up new possibilities for enhancing blackberry traits. With CRISPR technology, scientists can directly edit specific genes within the blackberry genome, bypassing the lengthy and unpredictable process of traditional breeding. This precise editing allows for the introduction of novel traits or the modification of existing ones, leading to the creation of blackberry varieties that are more resilient, productive, and flavorful than ever before. Cultivating innovation. Gone are the days of manual labor and guesswork. Today's blackberry farmers are leveraging a suite of cutting-edge technologies to optimize every aspect of the growing process. One of the most impactful innovations in blackberry farming is the implementation of precision agriculture techniques. Precision irrigation systems, for example, utilize sensors to monitor soil moisture levels and deliver water directly to the roots of the plants, minimizing waste and ensuring optimal hydration. This not only conserves water, but also reduces the risk of diseases caused by overwatering or drought stress. Furthermore, drones equipped with advanced imaging technology have revolutionized crop monitoring and management. These unmanned aerial vehicles can capture high-resolution images of blackberry fields, allowing farmers to identify areas of stress, pest infestations, or nutrient deficiencies with unparalleled accuracy. By pinpointing these issues early on, farmers can take proactive measures to mitigate risks and maximize yields. In addition to precision agriculture, data analytics and artificial intelligence, AI, play a crucial role in modern blackberry farming. By analyzing vast amounts of data collected from sensors, drones, and other sources, AI algorithms can provide valuable insights into crop health, growth patterns, and environmental conditions. This enables farmers to make informed decisions in real time, optimizing everything from fertilizer applications to pest control strategies. Moreover, the integration of automation and robotics into the farming process has streamlined labor-intensive tasks such as harvesting and pruning. Robotic harvesters can efficiently pick ripe blackberries without damaging the delicate fruit, while automated pruning systems ensure consistent and precise maintenance of the bushes. Nurturing growth. While innovation plays a pivotal role in modern blackberry farming, nurturing the growth of the plants is equally essential to ensure healthy and robust harvests. Strategic pruning is a fundamental practice in blackberry cultivation. By selectively removing older canes and thinning out crowded growth, farmers can improve air circulation and sunlight penetration within the canopy, promoting better fruit development and reducing the risk of diseases. Additionally, pruning encourages the growth of new, productive canes, ensuring a continuous supply of high-quality berries. Fertilization is another critical aspect of nurturing blackberry growth. By providing the plants with essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, farmers can support vigorous growth and maximize yields. However, it's essential to strike the right balance, as excessive fertilization can lead to nutrient imbalances and environmental pollution. Many farmers opt for organic fertilizers or employ soil testing to tailor their fertilization practices to the specific needs of their blackberry crops. Pest and disease management also play a vital role in nurturing blackberry growth. Integrated pest management (IPM) strategies combine cultural, biological, and chemical control methods to minimize the impact of pests and diseases while minimizing reliance on synthetic pesticides. This holistic approach not only protects the health of the plants, but also preserves beneficial insects and promotes environmental sustainability. Furthermore, maintaining proper weed control is essential for nurturing blackberry growth. Weeds compete with the blackberry plants for water, nutrients, and sunlight, which can stunt growth and reduce yields. Mulching and mechanical cultivation are common weed control methods used by farmers to keep their fields free of unwanted vegetation. Harvesting rewards. After months of diligent care and nurturing, the time finally arrives to reap the rewards of blackberry farming. Harvesting is a critical stage in the process, requiring careful attention to detail to ensure optimal fruit quality and yield. Timing is crucial when it comes to harvesting blackberries. The berries must be picked at the peak of ripeness to ensure maximum flavor and sweetness. Unlike many other fruits, blackberries do not continue to ripen after being harvested, so it's essential to harvest them when they are fully mature. This requires regular monitoring of the fruit's color, size, and firmness to determine the optimal picking time. Harvesting blackberries is typically done by hand, as the delicate nature of the fruit requires gentle handling to prevent damage. Skilled pickers carefully navigate the rows of bushes, selecting only the ripest berries and leaving behind any underripe or overripe fruit. This meticulous approach ensures that only the highest quality berries make it to market, commanding a premium price and satisfying discerning consumers. Once harvested, the blackberries are transported to the packing shed for sorting and grading. Advanced sorting machines use optical sensors to evaluate the size, color, and firmness of each berry, sorting them into different grades based on quality. This ensures that only uniform, premium quality berries are packaged for sale, while any lower grade fruit is diverted for processing or other uses. Packaging is another crucial step in the harvesting process. Blackberries are typically packed in clamshell containers or punnets, which provide protection during transportation and display. Modified atmosphere packaging, MAP technology, is often used to extend the shelf life of the berries, preserving their freshness and flavor for longer periods. The transformation of blackberry farming through modern techniques exemplifies the fusion of tradition and innovation in agriculture. By embracing advancements in genetics, technology, and sustainable practices, farmers are not only maximizing yields and quality, but also paving the way for a more resilient and prosperous industry. As we savor the fruits of their labor, let us celebrate the ongoing journey of growth, adaptation, and discovery in the world of blackberry farming. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video informative and inspiring, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep sowing the seeds of change.